Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we are going to listen to a new phonical story. Let's see what the story is about. The name of the story is The Hippo and the Bee. In a forest, there lived a hippopotamus in a huge pond. The hippopotamus was very lazy and just liked to relax in the pond. There was a tree next to the pond. On that tree, there was a honeycomb. In the honeycomb, there lived hundreds of honeybees. The honeybees were very active and always worked all day long. One honeybee always used to see the hippopotamus. The hippopotamus was always relaxing in the pond. One day, the honeybee stung the hippopotamus. He jumped high and fell out of the pond and asked the honeybee in a painful voice, "Why did you sting me?" The honeybee said that, "Mr. Hippopotamus, I always see you relaxing lazily and doing nothing. That's not good. You should be active and working all day." The honeybee also said, "Working helps you to be fit and also helps you to think more easily." The hippopotamus said, "Okay, I will work and stay active." Since then, hippopotamus has become active and the honeybee and hippopotamus became friends. If you want to see more phonical stories of all the letters, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.